Alright, just gonna film another couple of aircraft. First one you just saw go by, that one was Airnorth Embraer E190LR. It's flown in from Darwin. And apparently there's two different things about it. It's got the flight call sign that a Virgin Australia plane would normally have, and it's operated by Alliance Airlines because they operate Embraer E190s, but not in Western Australia. In South Australia and the Northern Territory they do. And look who we have in the distance. This is Air New Zealand, the Boeing 777. Look at how slow it's flying. Slowing slowly, but at a very leisurely pace. Just take you to the front. We can get like a proper view of the aircraft. Oh, something smells good. Must be that pasta. Must have been that pasta. Could be the sauce. Maybe. Anyway, here comes Air New Zealand, the Boeing 777. The mighty one itself. The 300ER model. I don't think it wants to grab a lock. Hold on a second. Let's just grab a lock on. There we go. I don't think that's going to work well enough. Hold on. Let's grab a lock on that light. No, it's just not going to work. Let's leave it as is. But yeah, you can see that is the mighty Boeing 777-300ER that Air New Zealand has flown in all the way from Auckland just to come here. Hold on a second. I'm gonna make sure I hold the camera high enough. So just over there, it's just like well behind that tree. You can see that. Oh, hold on a second. Air New Zealand is just gone into the airfield. Have a look. There it is. See, it's just going this way. Stop from there. Stop from there. I can see that the neighbours have almost successfully redone their lawn. Nice. Nice for the lawn, nice for the aircraft. Alright. And yeah, about Victor Hotel Dash Kilo Zulu uniform, the Piper Seminole, it did an ILS approach round runway 24, and it's just gonna go do it again, so nothing much to worry about. And I'll be back with another video soon. Catch you later.